Do you sometimes feel your English sounds flat or robotic? In English, mastering intonation and rhythm can help you sound more natural and expressive. Let's dive in and learn how. Welcome. Today, we're practicing intonation and rhythm, essential elements that give English its unique sound. These tools help us emphasize ideas, express emotions, and make our speech flow smoothly. Let's start with intonation. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice as you speak. In English, we use intonation to show questions, emotions, or emphasize certain parts of a sentence. For example, in a question like, "Are you coming?" our voice rises at the end to show it's a question. In a statement like, "I'm coming tomorrow," our voice falls at the end to show it's final. Practice with me. "Are you coming?" and "I'm coming tomorrow." Feel how the intonation rises in the question and falls in the statement. Now, let's talk about rhythm. Rhythm is like the beat in English. It's the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables that creates a flow. English is a stress-timed language, meaning we stress certain syllables more than others. Take this sentence, "I'll meet you at the station at 6. Notice how we stress meet, station, and 6, while the other words are said more quickly. Practicing this rhythm helps us sound more natural. Let's practice intonation patterns together. For questions, especially yes or no questions, we often use a rising intonation. Repeat after me, "Are you okay?" Notice how my voice goes up. To show excitement, we also use a rise in our intonation. Try this. "That's amazing." For simple statements, our intonation usually falls. Say it with me, "It's over there." These patterns will help add expression to your English. Let's practice rhythm by stressing the key words in sentences. I'm going to the store later. Feel the beat on the main words? Try this one. Practicing with rhythm and stress will give your English a more natural, musical quality. Today, we explored intonation and rhythm, the keys to speaking English with expression and flow. Practice these patterns daily, and soon, you'll sound more fluent and natural. What intonation or rhythm tips help you sound more natural? Share with us in the comments, and subscribe for more English pronunciation tips.